Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with Canva Brand Kit, complete guide step by step clearly. To authenticate with Canva Brand Kit, start by logging into your Canva account. If you do not have an account, make sure to create one before proceeding. Once logged in, navigate to the home dashboard. On the left sidebar, look for the Brand tab. Click on the Brand tab to open the Brand Kit section. Here, you will see options for logos, colors, and fonts. To set up your brand kit, click on Create a Brand Kit. You will then be prompted to name your brand kit. Enter a name that reflects your brand identity. After naming your brand kit, start uploading your logo. Click on the Upload section within the brand kit. Choose the Upload button and select your logo file. Make sure your logo file is in a compatible format. Once uploaded, you can adjust the positioning as needed. Next, set your brand colors. Click on the Color Palette option in the Brand Kit. You can choose colors or enter hex codes directly. Add as many colors as you prefer to represent your brand. Now, let's set your brand fonts. Scroll down to the Typography section in your Brand Kit. Select your desired font styles for headings, body text, and accents. You can choose from Canva's vast font library. Once everything is set, review your brand kit for accuracy. If satisfied, click on the Done button to save your changes. Your brand kit is now authenticated and ready for use. Return to your dashboard to access your brand kit anytime. Whenever you create new designs, your brand kit elements will be available. By using your brand kit, you ensure brand consistency across all your designs. Remember, you can edit your brand kit at any time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.